Hey guys, so I used my circular saw to cut 3 sheets of 18mm. I had a blunt blade and I pushed too hard and it started to smoke, so I'm off to B&Q to pick up one of these little cheapo cordless Mac Allister circular saw, 18V solo, and it's 50 quid, so fingers crossed it might last me 10 years like the last cheap one did, although that was a corded one. Well, I was very excited. I'm just going in the garage to get the leaf blower I bought a couple of months ago. That's an 18V, so it should have a compatible battery. I'll take this out, take it over here, put it in the charger that I keep on the windowsill, obviously. Take that over to the toaster and plug it in preparation. So look at the machine. This is a Mac Allister 18V solo MCS18 lithium. Open the box very fast, have a look at it. Instructions, yeah, I'll be needing those. Not. And this is the guide rail. It's 22 centimeters, 220mm, and it's riveted together, not spot welded. Okay, and this is the vacuum attachment, and that's it. That's all you get in the box. So here we have the cordless Mac Allister. I haven't seen any reviews on this, so just sticking this out there because I needed this. It's got a blade guide, protector guard. This is the angle adjustment. Pretty simple, doesn't feel too cheap and tacky. This is the guide attachment, tighten that up. Also, it's got relatively clear markings as to where the edge of the blade's going to be here, which is nice. Also, there's a little light on it, which is cool. I had a laser on my old one. Okay, vacuum attachment goes on there. You can change the angle, brilliant. At the back here we've got, this is the height adjuster. Now I had a lever on the old one which was quick and easy. This one I don't know, but yeah, this is the blade guard. Looks free and easy. We'll see how that binds when I'm cutting or whatever. So there's the lock for the blade, so you press that in, that locks the blade. You take the Allen key out, stick it in there, righty tighty, no, lefty loosey, so now the blade's loose, throw the Allen key down, just, yeah. So now to tighten it again, righty tighty, you keep your thumb on that button there, locks the blade, give it a bit of torque, good to go. So yeah, base plate feels smooth. The button mechanism, that's the light switch there. The button mechanism for making it go is not as ergonomic as I'd expected, but I'll show you that in a second. So go get the battery. Where's he gone? Oh, come back. Should have cut this bit. Oh, there he is. Go and shut the door. Come back. Might have to cut this bit. Oh, hi guys. So yeah, this is the battery from the leaf blower kit that I bought that came with a battery and a charger. You can buy batteries and chargers. Oh, look, a light. It's got a light on it. So yeah, rev it up. I might have to turn the volume up so you can hear it here. Not that you'd be able to tell, but yeah, looks good. So overall, it looks like it's a good unit. It's not going to be extremely powerful. I would imagine the battery won't last more than half an hour. Happy. See how we do with it anyway. Thanks for watching. Bye.